Hello, so what is going on, guys? It's Ryan here, back with another video. So into this video, guys, I'm gonna show you my favorite themes in Visualstudio code. So my favorite theme is my first favorite theme, or the number one, is Andromeda. So it's actually good. As you can see, it's have a lightish blue background, and the syntax color is actually popping out. So it's really easy readable. Also, the comment is readable. So yeah, let's now go to the next one, which is, well, I haven't actually updated it. So go to color theme, and the next is synthwave 84. So I can't run the synthwave 84 with the CSS file on. I don't know why, but if you go right in here into the extension bar and type synthwave 64. Okay, synth wave this. If you go right in here, okay, this doesn't have a little picture though, but it will add a glowing effect into your syntax, which is kind of good. So the next one is, okay, let me just go into my INL file. The next one is, so the third one we're gonna be, where is it? Cold Horizon. This, I actually like this, and I only like the background, not the syntax, because it doesn't really, it not popped out into my eye, and that's why I don't want this. I like it in other way because of the background, but the syntax is not good. But if they update it, I really appreciate it though. So that's the third one. So let's now go with the fourth one, which is Atom 1 Dark. As you know, I actually used Atom before. I changed to, I'm using Visualstudio Code, and I changed to Atom, and I'm back right here. But I don't actually, I like the theme for the Atom, but it's slow. The only problem is that I want a much more darker background and much more lighter, darker, I think, or brighter syntax. But it's actually good. It's actually good, but I want it to be more brighter, and the background must be darker. So the last one we're gonna be Horizon. Yeah, that's good, but I actually love this, but there's no border in it, which is kinda sucks, and the syntax color is not actually popping out. That's why I put it at the 5th place. So yep, that's the 5 themes that I like using. That I like to use in Visualstudio Code. So yep, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Click the thumbs up, don't dislike, hit the subscribe, and I'll be back to you guys next time. Goodbye.